Lots still to learn from older DJs. This from Ballon d'Or toaster Jamal, who performed on Friday night at Reggae Sumfest.
Still fully dance. I graduate now.
Graduation no keep. No graduation no keep. Fully done.
In on my iPhone now when we call another yacht, we make a million.
Dancehall is blowing up right now with Cartel. Any lessons learned?
A lot. Remember one king and a vice cartel. I've never learned nothing from before him go to prison. You must learn something now. 3-9, fully Gaza. Done.
Make sure a 3D, girl them in a skip scene.
So what's it gonna take for the trap DJs to hit the big stage? You guys seem to be lagging behind.
Is that an insult? Okay. What does lagging mean? Like you go on a computer? Okay, well, listen. This is the entertainment report, and I'm a trap dancehall artist. What we need to do is learn more from the greats and from the elder them who did that before we. You see what I say? We have a lot more to learn and we're willing to learn, so now just continue to believe. 3-9.
Until